get my lumpia on. With the rolling lumpia.
Here is your 2 lumpia. Ma'am, your lumpia.
We love rolling lumpia.
And here's your cantaloupe. Sorry we ran out of the lid.
Oh no, you're fine.
Okay.
Thank you, enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Oh, it's free today.
Oh, thank
Free
you.
lumpia today for you guys.
Oh, thank you.
Because this video went
Getting our
viral.
lumpia on.
Lumpia, lumpia.
Thank you guys. 3 orders of the dynamite and 5 orders of the regular lumpia. So I'm gonna put it on top of each other. Is that okay? I'm not gonna close it because it's gonna get soggy. So there you go, guys. Total of 5 regular lumpia and 3 dynamite lumpia. Thank you, Andy. You want a bag? Ayan, guys. 2,
Oh my God. Ang sarap.
3.
Opo. Opo.
Ayan, guys. And 1 lumpia.
Salamat po.
Okay, guys. Dahil first customer, I'm only gonna charge you 2 crispy pork belly.
Oh, nice. Salamat po. Thank you.
Yes.
First time in rolling lumpia.
Yes, ma'am. So, just 2 crispy pork belly po.
Okay, thank
Thank you. Enjoy.
Hi. Okay, insert.
Yeah, ma'am. Can I ask a question first?
Okay, guys. We have here Miss Universe and Miss World. Ayan, guys. Pumipili si Miss World at saka si Miss Universe ng pancit tsaka pork belly adobo.
Thank you, Cecilia.
And kay Madam Pancet. You want some pork belly adobo on yours too?
Now I get it.
You want some? Pork belly?
You did have, you had frozen lumpia. You frozen lumpia back in 25 or 30 dollars.
Here you go, beautiful girls.
Thank you.
Ayan, guys. Bye! Thank you. Enjoy!
Rolling lumpia, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome, thank
You
you.
want me to put that in the box?
You know,
the-
I'm just sit it right in here on top of these. If that's okay.
And then because you're the first customer of the day, we're only just gonna charge you for the loaded. The spam rice is free today.
No, that's my favorite flavor. It's free. Thank you.
Right? It's your lucky day, first customer.
Note to self: be here early.
Yes, sir, every day.
I was going to ask one question.
Nagre-request tayo na, John, may mga nagre-request tayong customers na ano daw, yung next video daw is yung mga tao tinatry yung food. So, ayan guys, try na.
Mukbang, mukbang.
Ayan yan.
Oh! Crispy!
Ayan. Ayan ang in-order niya mga karong.
Sarap!
Crispy pork belly. Hala, nagkamay pa! Nag-bookman na si John, guys. Thank you, John.
Awesome.
Here's
Thank
your
you
Zay
so
naman.
much. I
Have you
truly
had it
appreciate
before?
I have. It's my first time, so really excited.
Oh, enjoy.
I'll let you know how it is. Thank y'all so much.
It's your first time here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
enjoy. Crispy pork belly. Thank you, enjoy. Happy Tuesday mga ka-rollings! This is Cecilia and welcome to Rolling Lumpia Food Truck dito sa Jacksonville, North Carolina. Ayan guys, si Chili sanay na sanay nang gumawa ng ating loaded lumpia na talaga namang trending na. Maraming ngang nagtatanong mga ka-rollings kung ano daw yung mga toppings na nilalagay natin. Syempre guys, meron tayong nacho cheese, sour cream, candied bacon, green onions, and fresh jalapenos. O, diba mga ka-rollings, plating pa lang, busog ka na. At para naman sa ating mga customers na gustong matikman ang tatlo nating klase ng lumpia, meron tayong lumpia sampler with 3 regular lumpia, 3 dynamite lumpia, and 3 loaded.
I'm just following my orders. It's you.
Ayan guys, hindi na lang siya magiging stingy sa kanyang pork belly adobo.
It's not me. It's you.
Okay, tingnan natin guys kung hindi na siya stingy sa kanyang pork belly adobo. Hello! Wow! Wow! Ayan guys hindi na siya stingy. Ayan, sa mga nagsasabi guys na stingy sa chili, ayan. Ang dami niya ng pa talaga ng sabaw.
Sorry, got the drink. Garrett.
Garrett? Garrett? Let me get you a fork. Oh, okay. Oh, did you?
I don't know why I just got separate. I got scared.
Alright, okay. What did you say?
He asked if it was Peruvian food.
Who? Spam rice? You?
No.
He asked us for Peruvian. They have a name for the order?
Yeah, we did not know it's gonna rain. What's the order na?
Bento.
Bento? Okay.
Thank you.
3 orders of lumpia, 1 portillo available, and 1 and then what do you want? Cantaloupe. Sorry.
You don't have pineapple either. Oh, you have one? Oh, it is an out. Okay, call it. It's right here.
Al?
It's by itself?
Yeah.
That was good. You know, like it's that popular. People go from here just for the It's like, when I said it's so sweet, I meant like, not so sweet. It's like perfect. It's like, just like perfect sweetness, but it's like more refreshing. Like, it doesn't taste like, oh, I'm drinking a sugary drink. It tastes like fresh, like, that was good. So that's like, you have to mix it in warm in the bags, and this is you want
So, ayan guys, umatake na naman yung anak ko. So, nagpa-deliver tayo ng 2-3 lumpia doon sa katabi nating food truck guys. And nag-request pa siya, isa pa daw, sabi niya. 1 more daw, kasi 3 daw sila doon.
How to roll the perfect lumpia Chili's version.
demote as a chef. Can you call it demotion or promotion, Johnny? Demotion, promotion. What do you think?
I mean, definitely get paid more if it's a promotion, right? You want it?
Ayan guys, sinunod din na yung barbecue natin. Medyo sunog-sunog mga carolings. Ayan ang chef natin. Hello chef, Mama Pining. Ayan, at saka si Jan. Happy Father's Day, Johnny. Ayan. Hey mga carolings, here is our Father's Day dinner. Ayan guys, meron tayong tahong, crawfish, pork barbecue skewer, at saka syempre hipon. Ayan guys.